Hey everyone, so today we are pulling a Soulful Woman card to see what message might come through for us. So if you have anything on your mind, just focus on that, and maybe there will be a message here that will resonate for you. So here we go. Okay. Perfect. Fearless self-love. Whenever I choose to love myself, no matter the circumstances surrounding me, I am practicing fearlessness. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, so when we are practicing self-love on a daily basis, no matter what, now we're gonna have those days where we just do not feel good about ourselves, and that's okay. So we work through those days. We don't stay in that lower vibration. We begin to create a better environment for ourselves to help lift us up and into self-love. And the more you practice self-love, the more that it'll become a habit, a part of your life, and you'll just step into that self-love practice whenever you start feeling that negative emotion. Then it'll be easier to move into that space of self-love. So when we are practicing self-love on a daily basis, no matter what is happening in our lives, when we love ourselves, even when we are feeling really crappy about ourselves, when we are kicking ourselves about something, maybe we've done something wrong, or maybe we feel that we could have done better in something, a situation, or how we acted or behaved. Know that you can still practice that self-love. You can still love yourself through those moments when it's not always sunshine and lollipops. You can love yourself through those really negative, lower times as well. And to be fearless at this, that whatever, no matter what, I am going to love myself. Yeah, I'm going to have those crappy days and doubtful days, and maybe when I'm kicking myself days, but I'm always going to love myself, so I can bring myself out of that and move into a higher frequency, a higher vibration, and move into that space of love. Remember that you are a sacred being, and that you should be honoring yourself on a daily basis. You should be giving yourself that love, that sacred love that you need on a daily basis. And all you need to do is begin to practice that. Make that a thing every single day, just like brushing your teeth. You get up for a few minutes and you practice that love for yourself. And even if you don't feel it, intend it. Create that energy of loving yourself. Even if you just start small, you will eventually get there. So I hope this helped you. I will see you next time. Bye.